Welcome guys. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to your DOOGEE X55, for the first we have to go for the Play Store and get application to transfer data. So let's go here smoothly, tap on the search pool and type CLONEit. This is the name of the application that we are going to use in the transfer. Click on the install. And of course on this Android smartphone you have to do the same, right? But I just did it and right now I can open it. And we are waiting for our DOOGEE. Click open. Click allow. Read the privacy and then tap on the yes agree. Click sender on this Android phone. Oh, what is this error? Let's open it one more time. Click sender right here and tap receiver on your DOOGEE. Click allow, click search again. Here's our Android phone, so click on this icon and we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input the password manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code. So grab your phone, put the frame into the QR code. Accept the request. And right now, if you want to send everything from this Android phone, you have to select all of these icons and click right here to start the process. But if you want to get some details, you have to tap below for the click to details. And I think that I'm going to show you how it's going to look like on the music. And I pick up these two songs. Click start, OK. And as you can see, it's finished. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe our channel. See ya!